to the not just to the millennials, but the ones coming up, and to the great ones who wrote all of these things for us to remember, to study, and to know. Okay, because a lot of work went into this kind of stuff. A second example of the cell's internal complexity is its formation of a fatty acid, palmitic acid. I've never heard of palmitic. Someone write that down. Palmitic. I'm going to look that word up. Acid from 14 molecule subunits. Fatty acids are the chief molecules for energy storage in cells. To manufacture palmitic acid, the cell creates, and this helps me read too, so I don't forget to read, because we're reading off of our cell phones and it's going to hurt our eyes. So we need to remember to read ink. We need to remember to read magazines, even if they're fun magazines about beauty and people's stories and books and all sorts of stuff. Okay, so let's not focus on tablets, on phones, because it hurts our eyes, and it's also addictive, because when you don't have it, you will not have information, and then it'll cause you stress, causing you stress and stress cells in your body, and you'll age faster, and we don't want you guys to age faster. Okay, so back to this. The cell creates an elaborate palmitic acid. The cell creates an elaborate circular molecule machine, quote unquote molecule machine. Okay, that's a good word to look up. That's fun. From protein molecules. At the machine's center is arm. Ooh, that is an arm. Ooh, that's interesting, right? Because we're going into arms, we're going into all sorts of stuff. We're going into robotics here and all this kind of stuff, because we can have robotics now coming up with being cellular type, human beings and all that kind of stuff, and it's exciting. At the machine center is an arm, also comprised of molecules. Okay, so you need to understand about molecules. Okay, that swings through 6 workstations. Each time the arm rotates, 2 more. Oh wait, so 2 molecule subunits of, this is good exercise for me too, to read and stuff like that. So molecule subunits of the fatty acid are added by the action of the enzymes. This goes into enzymes, which is really important for vitamins, to keep us healthy. When you guys speak of enzymes in your tummies, okay, to make your tummies feel better, these are very, very important terms that we need to not forget. Okay, which is why I'm doing what I am doing. Okay, teaching it was one of my main things that I was doing. Unfortunately, I got sidetracked. So we'll go into my personal story later. Okay, so and then in quotes it says, or not quotes. I need to read up on my English. Enzymes are highly complex protein molecules that aid chemical reactions within the cell. Okay, after 7 rotations, the required 14 units are present and the fatty acid is released. This is super important for the children to learn. Okay, this is actually for science courses, for usually for high school students. You can actually start to teach these things and break these words down, so that when they read them, it'll snap and it'll click, and they'll say, I know what that means, and they'll read faster, they'll learn faster. So you can start doing this in junior high schools. Okay, I'm going to continue. For this rotary assembly machine to work, all six different enzymes must be present in the right order, and the molecules, this is interesting. The molecule arm, must be properly arranged. In general, a complex machine